Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a review on my Engine 3. This is on the north end of town. It's for residential and has small hazmat on it because it's closest to the industrial park. So, look over. Cab. Almost like the rest of mine. Light bar. No lights on it this time. Bumper. Scene light. And more scene lights. Front panel, got 3 headlines, gauges, large LDH intake. Also got a deck gun. I designed the deck gun. I thought it looked alright. I think I could do a better job on it. Anybody has any suggestions, please give. Back now, compartments. Oh, these ones can open. Nothing inside. Scene lights, red lights. No stickers on that. Still working with it. My newer ones have it. Roll up doors on the side. Do not open. The back. LDH. Supply line. Red strobe on the back. Yellow strobe on this side. Arrow stick. Large compartment in the back. Same thing over just like on the driver's side. Compartments. Front panel. Got 2 outtakes, sorry, and 1 LDH supply. Scene light over on this side. Now this one's different between the old Engine 1 and Engine 2. This one has strobe, blinker, 2 strobes, headlights, and just quick attack line for vehicle fires. That's Engine 3. Sorry, I based it off of AME Predator engine. I think it turned out pretty well. One of my favorites. Simple design. So please, any questions or anything, please comment, rate. If you have a question, please ask. Alright, see you guys next time.